Your Excellencies, on behalf of the Filipino people, it is my pleasure to warmly welcome you all to Manila. Before we continue our agenda, allow me to provide a brief context for our meetings today. Amidst the backdrop of the theme of the Philippines' chairmanship of ASEAN, Partnering for Change, Engaging the World, we gather today with the desire to move cooperation forward in a number of areas and achieve a positive change that will aspire for our region and for our peoples. The East Asia Summit, in the evolving ASEAN-led regional architecture, provides us with a platform for dialogue on broad strategic issues of common interest and concern with the aim of promoting peace, stability, and economic prosperity in East Asia. At today's meeting, we shall exchange views on the future direction of the EAS cooperation, on regional and international issues of common concern that have a profound impact on the peace and security of our region, and discuss preparations for the 12th East Asia Summit scheduled in November 2017. With the aid of the Almighty, we look forward to having a fruitful discussion with you